Oi, he's going on a hunt. A hunt for him. On a hunt in 2-4. 2-4 is full of many strange creatures. It's very, very strange place. We must find them. Must find the monsters. If this motherfucker will work. Oh wait, now I know what's going on. Motherfuckers, look at that shit. All this. We're on a hunt. I want to find several things, like we'll find the wild, mystical hoovie. Maybe we'll even see a spy crab. Those things are extinct, but who knows? Some might be still pumping up. We'll find them. I'm sure of it. What the fuck? Gonna wait for this to load. Just gotta wait for it to load. Oh right, the Salvation Army defense guide telling white people to apologize for racism. Did you know that? No, that's nasty. It all disappears like a gambler's luck. 2V. Boy, I love to go out swimming in a river or lake, but I don't enjoy it half as much dancing from my balls. I'm gonna get a soda. God damn, that takes forever. Oh wait, now it's done. Okay, shit. Alejandro. God damn it.
Can I get a refill, please?
Ah! Shit!
Oh, look.
Ow. That hurt like shit. What the fuck was that? God damn it. Why do the bots think anyone will actually rent them? Our bots suck too. This would be really pissing me off. Wait, hold a second. Oh, I see. They're so bad that they lag every couple of seconds and just don't move.
I think it's snipping that screen for me.
Oh shit, that fucking hurts my ear. Ow shit! Okay, here we see the mystical bots. They or special species that are so fucking annoying and overpopulated. They appear in 2-4 and wipe out anything that fucking exists. They are very irritated species. Now, let's try to find some more species. Oh, you are? Which one's the one talking? Finally, I muted that dude. He was so fucking annoying. Shit! Okay, that's a double shit for us. Oh, come on! This is bullshit. Why do I have to be on the red team? Those guys are losers. I mean... I did what I could. Shit! No, I gotta stick to the character. Gotta continue to be the sniper. Oh shit, that hack is... I can't tell if that's a fucking hacker or a bot. Whatever he is, he sucks like shit. Fuck! You did it! Yo, kill him. I'm gonna go around. Now here we face a bot infestation. They are overpopulating and mating as fast as... well, they're just mating really fucking fast. I'm a cozy camper. I'll fucking kill you! Yo, medic!
Thanks, mate.
The enemy has dropped our
Medic! 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 Waffen teacher! Medic!
Ow! Ah! Now that's what I call bullshit. What the fuck? Yeah, guess who just got dominated? You!
Our intelligence has entered our base.
What a dumbass. Now that there, what you just saw, was a free-to-play. He ran into the bots and fucking died. Those guys are rare species. They breed at the medium. However, bots, they come out like fucking rabbits. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the third species? Fuck you, we'll get to it. Shit! Oh, come on, he died again. Come on, NA. What? Oh my god, Sergo is so fucking bad. What are you doing, Sergo? Even while hacking, you're still shit. I had one shot. Well then explain. Oh, he's a bot? How the fuck is... Oh, I thought he'd be protected then. I thought he wouldn't target those guys and they wouldn't target him. Holy shit! Moron. Go save the kid! Yeah, we're getting wiped. We're just getting fucking wiped here. Yeah. But frankly, my last words were, "Long live the queen," and then I blew up.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Which way they would be coming from? Which way is it be coming from, John? Yeah, you watch that side, I'll watch this. I see. Haha, moron. You guys are retarded. Ah! Ah! Okay, now that's what we call big bullshit. I'm going to fucking strangle this guy. I'm going to stick my hand so far down his throat, he's going to be begging for more by the time end of it. Okay, now that's just bullshit.
The enemy has dropped our intelligence.
What? Oh, come on, Sergo! We have 2 Sergos now. And now that's what we call a not official bot. This guy, he's not official. He's not an official bot. He's a fake bot. He's a faker and a fraud. And he's gonna turn all the fucking frogs gay. Shit, what the hell did I do? Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Hey, yo, the bots are killing themselves.
Our intelligence has returned to our base.
They don't call it the oh shit! You guys are oh wait, they might have Uber. I have shingles. No! 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 Sergo's dead. Fuck! No! No! NG! No! Run, NG! Run! No! NG!
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Sergo, you ain't gonna do shit. Don't do it, Sergo. No! Okay, good boy. You didn't die. Oh shit, no, hide. Hide, you dumbass. No, don't do it. Don't do it! Look, dumbass. Wait, you're killing them. Wait, those are our guy. No, wait, no, those aren't bots. Wait, dumbass, surrender. I wouldn't do that. But that guy has an ugly nose. Why are they just resting on the bridge? Now we see some unusual behavior from them. They sit on the bridge and don't do anything. Usually they just clog the bridge with each other, with each sides of the bots just mushed together. Yo, dumbass, quit shooting me! I'm a human! Ah! First off, why would anyone rational do this? Why would anyone make a bot? Blue man was assigned to blue. Yes. No, don't leave the game.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Just keep going, otherwise they're just gonna do it again. On other servers. Just keep them on the same game. I know, I'm just saying. Just stay on the same game. Plus, I wasn't saying I'm gonna leave. Yeah. Actually, that could work. Yeah, gotcha. Oh, right. Just fucking dumbass. Oh, shit, how the fuck? What the hell? Okay, don't ask what that was.
We have taken the enemy.
Oh wow, you don't say, Jacob. Okay, what the fuck? the hell is that? We're getting fucked. Yo, cover me.
Has taken our intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence.
You did it! You fucking did it!
Taken our intelligence. We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Back in my day, we didn't have no whippersnapper bots.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Oi, dumbass, don't kill me, I'm hunting bots. Do it, Pataku. Do it. Come on, you can do it. Yes! 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 You're a fucking legend. I missed him! I missed him by a pixel! That's bullshit!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
No, I don't want to go to blue. No! No! Ah! Shit. Does not look good.
The enemy has taken our
Shit! Motherfucker. Okay, fuck. Oh yeah, daddy. Dumbass.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Shut up, motherfucker. Oh wait, no, that mean wait, no, fuck. Ah! Get that motherfucker. Sweet home Alabama.
intelligence.
Shit.
You failed.
Run! 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 Run, you dumbasses. I ain't dying to... What the fuck was that? Okay, that's what I call a big bull. That is the biggest bull I've ever seen. Like, well, why do they have to do this? Who would do that? What rational person would fucking do that? Which one of those insignificant motherfuckers would actually do that? 'Cause it hurts me. It hurts my feelings for existing. Makes me sad. Anyway, as a wise man once told me, if you can't beat them, join them. So now I'm gonna install 50 viruses on my computer to get... I'm joking. Ugh. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, guess for that. Where is it? Where is it? Ah! Crap. Huh. Oh, started. I'm just... Okay, there we go. Let me just... Okay, there we go. Motherfucker.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ching chong, motherfucker.
Fight!
Ching chong, bing bong. F and F isn't a good game. Ah! Ah! How about let's switch to something more mobile? Okay, let's equip this just for safe measures. This, okay. Oh wait, no, I definitely want this. Shit. Oh wait, no, I have the same. Gotcha. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Ah!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
What?
The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Why? You are such a dumbass! I'm trying to cleanse them. I guess that just came out of me. Skills at the poor man. He's a dumbass. My bad, dude, but you're still a dumbass. Just kill yourself, bro.
Look at me! Hey, yeah!
Ah! Run, Ching Chong, run! No! They killed Ching Chong! They killed him! Huh. I guess they're not on the bridge then. I guess it looks promising.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
This man doesn't look happy. Ah! God damn it, Servo! Yeah, we got an army. You got an army of blues on your side too. They're basically copying each other. It's basically mirrored. Also, one of them's a lone wanderer. Shop B7 is out there just looking for people. He's a motherfucking... He's the hunter. He's the Terminator of them bitches. Alright, boys, wish me luck in Vietnam.
We have taken the enemy intelligence. We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
What the fuck? Oh wait, no! Got my ball back. Ah! yeah, thanks. Yo, bro. Ah! Yo, PNDMCD320, you're a dumbass. Kill yourself.
Come on! No.
Come on, Corbin! No, stop that, you dumbass! God damn it, soldier, you fucking retard! Ah! Fuck this, Shit, they got crits! Hi guys, Scout here. This does not look good. Okay, next strategy, attack and... Ah! That was some bullshit. That was bullshit. That's bullshit. That's motherfucking bullshit. Alright, let's just get back to it, I guess. I'm going to flip my fucking lid. Be cautious around every corner.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Can't hear what ain't there.
You're getting freaking dominated! Bonk!
Who's the tough guy now? Not tough guy?
Don't worry, I killed one. I just got freaking dominated, or revenged on. Alright, let's do this shit again.
I'm a freaking blur here.
Let's go. Go! Please! No! Fuck! Pain. Infinite pain. There's so much pain. That hurt. Oh!
Secured the enemy intelligence.
Oh, that hurt. Wanna know what game we're playing? We're playing a Jew in Nazi Germany. Ah! Yeah, get freaking dominated. Yeah, get lost. Get on my land, bitch. See your ass on the flip side. Ah! I'm killing them. Every suicide at a time.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Yeah, I see you.
Look at me!
Am I dealing with that shit? No. That hurts.
We have brought the enemy intelligence.
No. Wait. No. Well, I'm about to bust a nut on your face. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Bro, did I really missed him? Ah, get me inside. This documentary is... Nah, I have to deal with shit for a documentary. Ah! Help me! I don't want to die. It's scary out there.
Out is a spy! We got a spy! Spy!
Yeah, gotcha. Going after him.
Unfreaking touchable!
Ah! Let me in! Ooh, ah! No, I don't want to die. No. Wait. No! Shit. Play. Come on. Come on, bonk. Come on, my bonks just gotta reload, then I can live. Please. No, they're coming! Drink! See your ass on the flip side, motherfucker! Ow!
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
Oh shit. Ah!
We have brought the enemy intelligence.
What if you use the machina? Would you like pierce through them since they're always in like groups? Okay, gotta be prepared for it.
You failed.
Nah!
The
Oh, I thought you were
enemy
bots.
intelligence.
I thought you guys were bots. That would scare the shit out of me. Drink, 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 drink!
You can't hear what ain't there.
No, no, no. Yo, bro, wait, wait, wait. It's always fucking PNDC. Ayo, Padaku. Hold. I ain't doing no shit. I'm trying to just kill these bots as taunt kills. I'm trying to do like a fucking documentary here with investigating each of the fucking people of Two Fort. But all I've seen is fucking bots and bot imposters.
Look at me!
Yeah, you're gonna freaking dominate. Yeah, yeah, thanks. Ha! You're gonna freaking dominate. Bonk! You just got freaking got him. I got one. I got number 5. What is Mason Alardi doing? Why have you just been sitting here the whole time? Zongo, why have you been sitting here? Just been
The
sitting.
enemy has dropped our
What are you doing? Are you making some mad milk? What are you doing in here? Just having a good time here? I'm just gonna taunt kill these motherfuckers. Ah! Ah! Run! Run, Dungle! Oh, come on! Why am I the only one getting fucking auto-balanced?
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
I'm a freaking blur here.
Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
Ow! This ain't so going well. How about we try, yeah, no, the whole place is just overrun. That's bullshit. Big bull.
We have dropped the enemy intelligence.
Unfreaking
I'm gonna get you, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna no, you dumbass! You motherfucker! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna kill you! God damn it. Oh no. I hear them. They're him! They're coming! The blue scout just fell on his face. That was hilarious.
The enemy intelligence returned to their base.
I'm a freaking blur here.
We have taken the enemy
Yeah,
intelligence.
thanks. Yo, need some help, B. Help me.
The enemy has taken our intelligence. intelligence.
Hold up, I got a funny idea. It'll be so funny, bro. You'll laugh.
The enemy has dropped.
I'll rape you. I just don't like him. He's just an asshole in general. Okay, refresh the thingy. Oh no. What the hell? They're all just gathering there. They're all stuck. Get that intelligence. Oh shit, I'm not gonna make it! Haha, Jonathan, bonk, go bird. The sniper just dies. Sniper just falls into the fucking ground and dies. He literally had a heart attack and fucking died. No one wants to dominate you. I mean, drink. See you asshole. Flip side, motherfucker. Bye bye. Ah! Never mind. I missed my chance.
We have taken the enemy intelligence. Alert. The enemy has taken our intelligence.
I got it. Please. No! Don't kill the ones I'm gonna kill. I seen your ass on the flip. But yeah, daddy. Yes, I did it. I'm a god. I need a medicine. That's truly a magnificent moment. Go, please, Lord, God mercy! Oh, no! Motherfucker, I missed by 1 pixel. Oh, that hurts a lot. Yes! Yeah, GG easy. GG easy. I'm joking. I'm joking. Okay, that game was not fun. Fuck those guys. Those guys are retarded. I only agree with them that they wouldn't kick me the next game because they're assholes. I want to kill them. I want to kill him specifically. I'm going to fucking kill and rape his family. There's nothing he can do to escape me. I will get him. No matter what. No matter the costs, I will get him. He will be dead forever. Because I will. I'll find him. I'll track him down. I'll kill his entire family. I'll hunt his grandma. Rape his grandma. And remember this. All grandmas have the hottest body types. Also, fuck him. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill Fox, McCloud's entire family. He's probably a fucking furry. I'll fucking kill him. His neck will be gone. You'll never hear of again. It'll be called 12-year-old child goes missing. He's fucking dead, mate. He'll never be alive. You'll never be existent. He's dead. He's dead, and he'll never come back. Never. Not for a spin-off. Not for a crossover. Not for anything. He's gonna be fucking dead. He's gonna be like killed off like Grace from. No, it wasn't. Was it? No, the Rosalynds or whatever her name is, whatever it is. Is gonna do that to her because she's a bitch. I mean, he's a bitch or whatever he is. God knows he's gonna die. He's gonna die, man. Anyways, back to the documentary.
Competition begins in 10 seconds.
Okay, let's trip some balls.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Play ball!
I might have fucked up. Run! Alright, let's do this. Okay, maybe not.
Building the center.
Shit! No, don't do it! Don't! How?
Sentry going up. Building the sentry.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
I'm moving this.
Okay, what we're doing here is special placement. Gotta make sure it's as precise. Now I've gotta place down a safety sentry to absorb the hits.
Dispenser going up.
They'll take the hit for the sentry, and then I can exist without dying to fucking bots. Man, why are these Sergo bots out here? They're not protected. They're gonna die. Yo, what was that? Huh, that was weird. Ow, shit. Hey, what he doing? Abu.
Teleporter coming right up. Teleporter going up. Sentry down.
Oh no, they're coming, they're coming, they're coming.
Sentry going up. Teleporter down.
Oh, you're fucking kidding me. What? That was trippy. That was the fucking weirdest. Why would anyone do that? Who would do that? Whoever it is, I'll find them and I'll kill them. Whoever makes bots, they deserve to be deathed. They must be deathed. For I don't like them. They must be deathed to die. Do you even know these mother, like, no, seriously, who would actually do this? I mean, one of the guys did like that interview where like ask them why they did that, why they make bots, and he said because it gets them mad. Of what mad are they talking about? All people usually say is yo, you got a bot on your team. That's retarded. Anyways, as a wise man once told me, you know what he said? He says to me, "Hey, little man, little boy, I love children. I love children." And then he pulled down his pants. And he said, "You're a fucking you're a fucking